A double blow for residents in St. Andrew and Westmoreland. Days after cleanup activities, flooding has again left a trail of destruction. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, flash flood warning remains in effect for some parishes, and woman killed just meters away from military checkpoint. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.